Hello and welcome to pmplounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, wherein we tackle your burning questions. Today we don't have a question as such, although you do see a cat that is asking, "Who am I?" But then today we are basically trying to understand. We will have certain scenarios and we are trying to understand this project manager that is being talked about. Does he or she works in a functional organization or a projectized organization? So basically this video is about organization structure. We have discussed the types of organization structure previously. I'll link to an entire playlist that is around organization structures. This video only talks about examples of how the project managers are and what the project managers do in either functional organization or projectized organization, which is what you will have to guess as you watch this video, right? So we will be taking examples and then we will try to figure out if this particular project manager works in a functional organization or in a projectized organization. If you want to do a refresher of what is a functional organization and what is a projectized organization, please go over to the description. There will be a playlist, one of the videos in that playlist. I'll also link to that one video itself and then to the entire playlist as well. So that one video talks about the different types of organization structure. So you can go over that and then come back to this video and try to guess, who am I? Who is this project manager that is being discussed? Let's get started. I am a project manager in. I need to get approvals of all major project decisions from the respective department managers. So there are certain department managers. This project manager needs to get all major project decisions approved from these department managers. So this person is a project manager in, of course, a functional organization, because that is an organization where project manager doesn't have absolute rights over the projects. In fact, he or she needs to kind of have a lot of approvals from the respective departmental managers. Let's take a look at the second. Who am I? Okay, I do not do the budgeting of the project. So you are definitely a project manager in functional organization if you're not doing the budgeting of the project. My project team is exclusive to my project. So remember, in the first one, we discussed how there are respective department managers and project manager needs to get approval from these department managers. If your project team is exclusive to your project, that definitely means that you are a project manager in a projectized environment, in a projectized organization. All right, let's move on. I need to estimate the project schedule and track it. Now, this could be tricky, right? Does, I mean, in a project, isn't it important and necessary and mandatory for all project managers, regardless of the organization, to estimate the project schedule and track it? Well, track it is most definitely a job that a project manager has to do, regardless of what kind of organization structure he or she is operating in. But estimating the project schedule is something that not all project managers need to do. If you are someone, if you are a project manager who is estimating the project schedule as well as tracking it, estimating the project schedule, it could be possible that you're doing it with your team, right? And then coming up with the final schedule. But if you are involved in estimation of the project, you are a project manager in a projectized organization. I spend half of my time in administrative tasks. Poor you, you are definitely working in a functional organization. I choose the project team members and release them once the project is closed. The project manager has absolute rights here. He or she is choosing the project team members, right? How many of us get that opportunity, right? And how many of us wish we had that opportunity, right? So if you have that opportunity, if you are a project manager who is responsible for choosing your own project team members, you are a project manager in most definitely a projectized organization. So that's all that we had in this quick video. Hope you enjoyed this format of the video and hope you kind of understood the difference between how a project manager operates in functional organization and in a projectized organization. That's all that we had. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMP Lounge and twitter.com/PMP Lounge. And as always, do check out the website pmplounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information. Thank you.